Like they say, practice makes perfect. Hello everyone, my name is Buggy the Man and welcome back to the Man's Programming. Now, on the previous video, we were learning about inputs, outputs, and basic calculations. We took someone's age and we found out what year they would turn 100 years old. Pretty simple program. On this video, we're going to be doing a little step forward from that. We're going to be grabbing a phone number from the user, and then we're going to find out if that number is 10 digits or not. We're going to be doing this with the if statement, a function, and the length syntax. So let's get started. The first thing we want to do is define the function. So when you're defining a function, you don't use the curly brackets in Python. You only use the colon. I'm sorry, I've done this so many times. I've learned this. Um, so if you use the colon, when you hit enter, it should tab you forward if you're using Visual Studios. If not, you will need to put a indent inside of the function so you know what's running in the function and what's not, and so the machine knows what's running in the function and what's not. The next thing we want to do is get the input from the user without dashes. So we're going to set that input as phone and then ask them to go ahead and enter your phone number without dashes. It could be 777-777, it could be 757-5319, it could be 312-8644, could be 1 million, whatever. As long as it's without dashes, it's looking good so far. But here comes the curveball. We want it to be 10 digits because there's no such phone number in America as a 25-digit number. So we're going to put an if statement, and of course in most programming we use the parentheses for if statements. In Python we do not. We're going to put length of phone equals 10 and then a colon. Now length, len, which stands for length, tests the length of the actual variable put inside the parentheses. So in this case, it's testing how long the phone number, and it says if that length of that variable is 10 digits, good to go. So if we're going to tell them it's good to go, we're going to print phone number accepted and then return. Now you may notice I put a semicolon after return. That is the only time you will put a semicolon in a function like this. And then of course you want to put the else. And if the else is telling them that it's wrong, we have to let them know. So print, please try, excuse me, again. And then we got to call the function again so it loops them back. So number. Alright, so now we're outside the function. We're outside the function and back into the main function, our main program as it is. For this, we're pretty much going to recycle exactly what we typed here. So we're going to set the phone as an input, ask them to please enter a 10-digit phone number without dashes. Then we're going to test it again. If length of phone equals 10 colon. Now, I might have spelled length wrong. The reason I can tell you I spelled length wrong is because it didn't turn white. And Visual Studios, if something is not right, it will let you know. Oh, sorry, I hit my insert. So now you see it's white. And it's been corrected. Now it says length of phone number equals 10. And I'm going to go down one. Then we're going to again tell them it's all good. But we're not going to return this time. As I was telling you, return was only used in a function and only in the function, because what it does is it moves you from inside the function out of the function. So we're going to go on back and put the else, print, please, try again, and this time we're going to send them into the function. And that's it. That's all we're going to do. So I'm sure you can see how this would work, but let's just make sure. Let's go ahead and run it. Okay, we're going to start this program, and it's asking them to enter a number, and let's just say they're stupid or not paying attention or something, and they're just going to enter 7 to try to get past the prompt. It's going to ask them to please try again, which is supposed to. So they're like 777. Again, it's not 10 digits, but then they're just like, I don't want to do this, and they throw 777, which is more than 10 digits. It's again going to ask them to try again. Now, if they finally calm down, they put 757 333 3333. It will accept the phone number and end the program. If you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button. If not, let me know. If you know a better way to run this program or create this program, let me know that too in the comments below. But as always, I hope to see you on the next program. See you later.